Hello, everyone. How are we doing on this Friday evening? Welcome to the Answer Corona session. I'm so excited to be back this Friday with all of you. Hi, Priya. How sweet of you. Always the first one to join us. Thank you so much. Good evening to you, Priya. How are you doing? How is everyone doing today? Enjoying the lovely weather of Pune? Wonderful. Excited to be here today. Priya, do you know who's joining us? Hi, Preeti. How are you doing? Hi, Sharad. Good evening. So glad to see all of you. A very good evening to all of you. My name is Aarti Pandey and I'm the co-founder of Folk Fitness. We are on a mission from freedom from PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. That's what is our mission. One in every 10 women suffer from this syndrome. Yes, and many women go without even getting detected. So we are working on this mission. But during this lockdown, there are a lot of queries, lot of concerns. People are home struggling with their back pain, especially the neck pain, shoulder pain. And do you know the biggest reason? It's our spine, which we ignore, the health of our spine. And that is why today we thought how to let you guys know how can you take care of your spine at home and ensure anyone who's been told to do surgeries take care of it. And wow, Priya, you know Praveen Patil sir is coming today. Great. So without any further ado, let us welcome Praveen Patil sir today with all of us. Good evening,
Yes.
sir.
Thank you. Hi. Namaste.
Hi,
Hello,
sir.
everyone. Yeah.
Everyone is saying hi and they're all excited. We already have 30 plus people who are waiting to
Wow.
talk to you, ask you questions, sir. Before we start, let me give a very small introduction of Patil sir. To start with, he is my doctor as well. So anything and everything that I have a little pain also, Patil sir is the person to go. He's a family doctor. He is a physiotherapist and a chiropractor with 15 years of clinical experience. Wow. He is director of Human Mechanic Clinic, which is at Koregaon Park, guys, and a consultant physiotherapist at Noble Hospital, which is at Magarpatta, Pune. His
Yes.
educational profile includes BPT, MPT in ortho and sports injury, diploma in chiropractic from Sweden, diploma in osteopathic manipulation from Canada, ABBC from UK, dynamic neuromuscular stabilization from Prague, and many more. I welcome you, sir, in our today's session.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Aarti, and thank you so much for the lovely introductions of me. And you also are doing very wonderful job in definitely spreading your fitness to everywhere with new concepts. But I
Thank
like your concept as a folk fitness. Definitely, we'll talk after later on this related to according to my view of the folk fitness.
Absolutely, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Sir, first let's start by asking you why spine is today's hot potato discussion, sir.
Okay, definitely why we choose the spine topic, and definitely today's the hot potato, because now you everyone knowing that last 3 months, 4 months, whole India is in a lockdown period due to the COVID pandemic. So everyone is at home. Definitely everyone is at home, but maid is not at home.
Correct.
Without maid we are living definitely. So many women, many males, they are not doing that kind of the job at home. So, suppose cooking, cleaning, so many activity, and one main reason is no physical activity because not possible to go out, right?
Correct. Correct.
So continuously sitting at home in front of the TV, yeah, working from the home in front of the laptop, and lack of fitness activity. And many people, you can including male and female, that complaining the back pain, neck pains, and because of improper position, because continually you have to sit. What you have to do at home? So
Correct.
that's what many common nowadays the back problem. So that's why we choose this today's the spine for the discussion.
Superb. So, guys, now you all know why we have chosen spine for all those women and men who've been working very hard in this lockdown, cleaning, swapping, cleaning the house, utensils, not
Yes.
knowing posture, and also lack of physical activity. So, we have Patil sir today. He's a leading chiropractor. So, last 15 minutes, we will take your questions. So, please ensure to ask all the questions that you have. For now, it's
Mhm.
my chance to keep asking sir questions. So, do you
Yes.
think spine is also a root cause of other health condition? Because a lot of people say ki I have neck problem or a back problem. Is spine also related to other health conditions, sir?
Definitely. Why the spine is related to other health problem? Because the spine is the main pillar of our body. Definitely. And the spine also has the connection to the brain. We through the spinal cord. And from the spinal cord, there is all nerves start from the bone. And that nerves regulate all your muscles, joints, and definitely main important your internal organs also, because if you have the kidney, intestines, reproductive organs, all related to your spine, because the nerves start from the spine only. Because whatever the supply is there, they're controlled by your spine. If your spine is good posture, definitely that organ also functions well. So definitely, so the spine is the main cause of the other ailment also.
Wow, sir, interesting. So it is so interesting that your spine gets connected to the brain, also to the other
Yes,
organs. To keep your spine in healthy condition, it's more likely that you will have all the other system working fine.
perfect. Yes.
Wow. So we would like to have some spine exercises at the end of the session, if possible. What we can do at home, that
Okay, let's see. We can just try.
lovely.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
sir, tell me why, first of all, chronic back pain is really increasing, but it takes
Hmm.
more time to recover, or in other words, what other factors are associated with chronic back pain, sir?
So many. Okay, that is very good questions, because majority in people suffering this chronic back pain, because but they are not knowing, say they are having the back pain. So, because
Correct.
sometimes little bit they have the pain, so we used to neglect. Yeah, kuch kaam kiya, I am getting the pain. After rest,
Correct.
again they feel better. But we tend to neglect. Why I developed today the simple back pain? Yeah, some amount of back pain. So we used to neglect initially. That time we never get treated from the any doctor. So it tends to neglect. Maybe we can busy in your work, other activity. But if when you get the tremendous pain, then we find out any doctor. But till the time, lots of time pass used to pass, and so many changes occur in your body. Because the why the back pain develop first, we have to see first time why the back pain develops. There is so many reasons behind it, but we usually neglect it. So there is chronic wear and tear inside the around the spine that happens also. Some musculatures become very stiff, some musculatures become very weak, and not because of imbalance created. So that's why the chronic back pain takes the time, because one, if you have the acute back pain, suppose today I am having back pain, if you take the treatment within 2 3 days, it will cure up because that is acute. So
Correct.
we immediately we can fix it. But chronic, there is lots of factors associated with that. Means one factor definitely muscular imbalance. Muscular imbalance. So for stiffness is there, some few stretches if you are doing, immediately you feel better. But strength is required at least 2 to 3 months to develop that. So that's why the chronic back pain requires lots of time. Other factors, definitely some psychological problems also is there. Psychological means if you are in the uh, family stress, you have your office stress, yeah, any other relationship stress is there, that also causing the your back pain, because that immediately affects your muscle and muscles and fascia. That fascia goes very stiff position. But as you till the time, suppose if you're not out of the stress, you will definitely continuously having the back pain. So I think this is the main reason so why chronic back pain is taking so much time to recover.
Sir, also, it also happens that suppose I have pain and I'm like, oh, it's little, let's put some Iodex, put something which is just a band-aid solution. We ignore coming to a chiropractor or a physiotherapist and give that much time. Also, that is also the reason that the pain keeps accumulating and the muscles start getting weaker. So ignoring
Yeah, because these solutions, no, because that have the temporary solution, because we are treating with the symptom. Only we are treating. I have the pain. Let it apply the you can Olini gel, yeah, any other gel what you have. So what that has, they create some, you can say, cold sensation, some tingling sensation after you apply this balm. Yeah, go. So mind diverted to there. So mind for few minutes, you can say for few hours, so that mind forgets your pain. Then we say, no, I'm feeling better. But that is the only symptom. But cause of the problem is totally different. We have to treat the cause.
great. So for all
Yeah.
our viewers, all 65 of y'all, please do not ignore if you have any chronic problem. If there is any pain, don't ignore it, because an acute pain will increase and get into a chronic pain. The difference is acute is something which has just happened. If you go to your
Yeah.
physiotherapist, chiropractor, it will get relieved faster. So please keep that in mind. We have a
Means I could.
question from Sahaji. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So Sahaji is
Uh,
asking what
mhm.
cause of spine disease in youngest people.
Okay. Youngest people, so why? Because they are very lacking in the fitness activity. And or you can say they are more enthusiastic without fitness. Suppose in young people, it's always engage in the sports activity, but
Correct.
fitness perspective, there is very less. But they want to the play. That way is there. So your muscle is not prepared to, you can say, that activity, but still we are doing that activity. Suppose in young people they want to do gym activity. Suppose samne wala doing a 50 kg weight, I have to do 50 kg weight, but your capacity only 20 kg. So you
Correct.
start with the 20 kg and slowly reach to the you can say 50 kg. But within 2 days they want to reach at the 50 kg, and that give the injury to the spine. And young people main problem is there is no functional walking. You can say functional walking means suppose if you want to take something from the outside of the home, that is a 300 meter from your house, immediately you take the vehicle and go and take it up. But that walking, yeah, cycling, they are not having. Only morning 10 minutes, you can say 15 minutes walking, yeah, half an hour walking is not is sufficient for that. So that is there is no active lifestyle. That's why they are getting the major back pain in younger age.
Super.
That is the cause. Yeah.
Sahaji, I hope we have answered your questions. We will take Preeti, Sonam, we will take your questions in some time. Sir, uh,
Yeah.
this is what I also want to know. Why female
Mhm.
complain of neck pain more than men?
Okay.
Suppose we
So many reasons. This very common miss. What are in my clinic? You can say in my Noble Hospital. Suppose if I am treating 10 neck patients, so all eight patient is the female. Only 20% is the male, but that is the coincidence. But see, all female, suppose working female or non-working female, if you consider, so working female, she has to go to the office also 8 hours, 10 hours. Again, after coming the office to home, again she has to do it of cooking and activity. So all that activity, suppose cooking also activity in almost in the stoop position, and and they are not engaging the, you can say, the physical activity, because they say the female usually says, no, I am doing so many work in whole day in my house, cleaning everything, so why there is no need of the exercises. So eventually they're continuously loading position of the, you can say, upper back, and that muscle is getting weak, and that if that muscle is weak, then your neck muscle start supporting your spine, means that goes in the spasm, and they
अच्छा,
start develop the neck pain. That is the main cause. And definitely one more cause is that female, you can say maybe hormonal changes, yeah, other things, they tend to have take the lots of stresses, maybe not physical stresses, you can say emotional stresses, psychological stresses. So when you are in stress, little bit stress also, first muscles affect these muscles. Brain, if brain is stressed, immediately this muscle goes in the sleep position. So if you're not
okay.
living the stress free, you will definitely have the neck pain. And female is the major cause of major in female, definitely there is major stress issues there. So
तो सर
many
आप कह
reasons
रहे हो
behind it.
आप कह रहे हो कि अगर थोड़ा भी स्ट्रेस लिया तो सबसे पहले नेक ही अफेक्ट हुई.
Exactly. First, if you're in any stress, immediately you feel more tightness over here. And if you neglect that, definitely you will feel neck pain. Suppose if you are very happy, you will feel your neck is almost pain free. So that is the major cause of the neck pain.
Great. So there are a lot of questions which are coming from the audience. So let's take the audience questions first. I request you will speak a
Okay.
little Hindi and English considering our audience.
Okay, no problem.
उसके
So you
पहले
tell me the way I want to speak with the Hindi or English, so
yes.
accordingly we'll do it. Yeah.
Preeti, I would request you to reframe your question. It's a little difficult for
Hmm.
me to understand. You can write it in Hindi or Marathi also. Just reframe your
Mhm.
question so that I can ask it to sir. I'll move on to Sonam. Sir, Sonam पूछ रही है
Hmm.
कि neck and shoulder pain की वजह से jaw pain भी हो सकता है क्या?
So this neck, shoulder, jaw, and headache, neck pain is all associated. Definitely. So suppose if you have your shoulder pain, your around the shoulder muscle is very stiff, you can say in the spasm, you will land up the neck pain. Yeah, you will land up pain in the jaw. Yeah, you will land up the headache. Yeah. Yeah, if you have the some imbalance in your jaw joint, even also that gives the neck pain. Yeah, that gives the headache. So that is interrelated, because all maximum time, all the time this musculature, maximum musculature is same.
Correct.
So
So
that is
Sonam, I
the
hope
main.
all our muscles are interconnected. So yes, if neck and shoulder pain is there, you could have jaw pain. So it is all connected. I hope that answers your question. Moving on to Sharad. सर शरद पूछ रहे हैं कि आप क्या एडवाइस
Hmm.
करोगे ऑफिस चेयर सिलेक्शन के लिए. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ ऑफिस चेयर वन शुड हैव.
Okay, office share. Okay, definitely there is some role is there in office share. I'll not say 100% role is in there to prevent the back pain or neck pain chair. But whatever you have the chair in the office, maybe might be that is ergonomical chair is there. Yeah, might be even simple plastic chair is there. Whatever your chair is there. Main you have to main concern when you sit on the chair, whatever your chair, your lower back, lower spine, it should be supported to your that chair. Suppose if this is my chair, I'm sitting, so you have to go back completely. You take your hips completely back to the chair, so automatically your spine gets supported. But after some times we used to sit this way, means
करेक्ट.
that is lower back is not supported now, only upper back is supported. So initially you feel better because now I am relaxed position, but that will cause the back pain. So for my point of view, definitely any chair is okay, but you have to go completely back, sit, so your back supported. If your chair is not giving the proper support, you can use the small cushion and keep it your lower back region, so your spine is always supported, because you are sitting a longer time in the office, so your spine should be supported.
Great. So, Sharad, I hope that answers your question. Sir is saying कि the chair doesn't matter. It is how you sit that
Yeah,
matters. हम क्या करते हैं,
yeah.
चेयर को ब्लेम करते हैं, हम कभी रिलैक्स बैठ जाते हैं. So please ensure that you're sitting with your spine straight and your back and butt should touch the resting of the chair. नहीं हो पा रहा है, so use a pillow. I hope that answers your question. Guys, whoever's answer,
Because
sir is giving, please show a thumbs up or just write that you got the answer so we know that you have heard the answers to your questions. Yes, sir.
If your spine is supported with the chair, definitely automatically your posture will be upright position. There is no need to work on that. I have to sit on upright. I have to sit upright. You have to contract your muscle, sit straight. But if your lower spine is automatically supported with the chair, automatically you will be in the straight position. There is no give extra effort on while sitting. Only you have to just see
Okay.
my lower back is supported.
Okay. Great. So you've taken away one more thing. Don't think about the spine. Just ensure ki lower back support ho.
Is supported. Yeah.
Lovely. All right. Next question. Sir, the next question is Surya Namaskar and other yoga related to back pain
Hmm.
recommended if there is a prolonged lower back pain and not so severe? Prolonged back pain, are yoga and Surya Namaskar recommended?
Very good questions because see yoga, Surya Namaskar, that is very good exercises format. But according to me, it is for the prevention of the back pain. Suppose if you don't have any spine related issue, if you are doing yoga, if you're doing Surya Namaskar, then it's good. But if you have any back pain, maybe that is very simple back pain, you can say. But every problem is different because the root cause of your pain is totally different. Maybe suppose if you have the back pain, if you are doing yoga, yeah, Surya Namaskar, you feel better. But other person, if you are having the same pain, if he is doing your yoga some position, yeah, you can say Surya Namaskar, might be he will develop the pain, yeah, increase the pain because all both people they have the different cause of the pain. But so this is all generalized the fitness program. It is not a specific treatment of the your back pain. But if you
Okay.
are pain free, definitely you can join the yoga. Yeah, you can say Surya Namaskar. While back pain, definitely that is not an option for that.
Okay. So Sujit, no
Yeah, you
Surya
can just
Namaskar.
yeah, you can
Yes, sir.
consult your doctors. So which yoga will helpful for me? See, this is my problem. Doctor will assess
Correct.
you. Say no, do this yoga position. Don't do this yoga position. He will guide you.
Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah.
Lovely, sir. Thank you, Sujit. I hope that clears your question. Sir, we have a very interest. There are a lot of questions just pouring up. We have 75 people
Okay.
in our audience, and आपके
Great.
लिए बहुत सारे questions हैं. We have Dr. Abid is asking you that
Okay,
hi
Abid
Dr.
sir. Abid sir, how are you?
Abid Rawal sir, you. Sir पूछ रहे हैं how are you doing? One question: how advanced and dependable are our chiropractors in India compared to Dr. Jason, Dr. Ian, Dr. Rahim, and all the other doctors we see online?
Okay.
So if you
So
can,
the very good questions. Yeah,
yes, if you can
very
make the
good
audience
question.
what is chiropractic, and then maybe answer this question.
Okay, Miss, you're right because many audience are not knowing about the chiropractic. Only they heard of the anywhere the name is the chiropractic. So chiropractors in definitely is related to your spine and definitely other joints also, but mainly related to your spine. So in chiropractic treatment approach, definitely there is a first assessment is there. So they have the specific assessment, and with that assessment, they is to see your start from the you can say pelvic your pelvic bone. Where is the pelvic bone is the your normal position? Yeah, you can say that is the abnormal position. If your pelvic is not in the proper, you can say neutral position, and because of that imbalance in the pelvic joint, the changes started in the spine. First start with the your lumbar spine because the pelvic and the spine musculature attach each other, yeah, you can say ligament is also each other. So if position your pelvic is changed, definitely spinal your position also gets changed. If spine also rotated, your pelvic also rotated, there cause the twisting forces, and then maybe you can initially you will end up the simple back pain. Yeah, so much rotation is there, then you will end up the slip disc. So we'll discuss afterward the slip disc also. So everywhere from the neck also, if you are in neck spine also is not normal position, if that spine is rotated, you can see a tilted, shifted. So chiropractic identify that misalignment, and they have the specific manually they to treat correct that spine. Yeah, you can say they have the instrument, specific instrument to the correct the spine. If your spine comes in the neutral position, absolutely pain reduces because pain develops due to the misalignment in the spine.
Okay.
Okay,
Perfect.
so chiropractor that fix the misalignment. Now the question of the Abid sir, definitely in India there is no education of the chiropractic.
Wow.
So the whatever the education is there in the outside of the India, you can say US, Canada, Europe, Australia. These countries they have the education. Even you can say chiropractic is so old. You can say older than the physiotherapy. More than 150 200 years they have the history of the chiropractic. But anyhow, India there is no education of that. And so very few chiropractor in India there they have the good that quality of the education. See, ideally chiropractic education is 5 year degree courses, and in physiotherapy also 5 year degree courses. So I have done the 1 year diploma courses because I have studied the 5 year degree courses of chiropractic, 2 years my post graduation. So that's why 1 year diploma courses is there. What are you his mention about the Dr. Rahims, and then they have the proper 5 year degree courses.
Okay.
But in India also now few physiotherapists here, few other professionals doing 1 week short courses and they are practicing, but that is not actually not they are not studying very deeper. So they are only superficial knowledge. Sometimes that will not help you. Yeah, there will in some risk factors is there. So India, very few. You have to just see the doctor's qualification, whether he studied properly or not properly.
Okay. I hope Dr. Abid Raval that answers your question. And Praveen sir, Abid is saying I totally follow Praveen sir and hope to get treated by Dr. Praveen soon post lockdown.
Okay.
Dr. Praveen is one of its kind doctor. I think I totally
Thank you
agree.
so much. Thank you.
I would like all the audiences to know that even if a slightest pain is there, I had a chronic pain for almost 5 years, and Patil sir, one is very dedicated with his patients, gives the time, makes you understand what is the cause of your pain. He just doesn't treat you, but he was the only one who could treat my shoulder pain, and since then I am a absolute blind bhakt of Praveen sir whenever it comes to any kind of
Okay.
pain.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So, sir, Sarita here is asking, I had slip disc
Mm-hmm.
problem 5 years back, which was cured
Mm-hmm.
through steroids and traction. Now
Okay.
I don't have any symptoms as before, but
Mm-hmm.
should I continue to take precautions? And sir, with this, can you also talk about little slip disc for our audiences to know about?
Okay. So we can start from the what is the slip disc, and then we'll answer the Sarika's question, right? Definitely. So many people aware this terminology means slip disc. डॉक्टर ने बोला यार मुझे स्लिप डिस्क हो गया या मुझे गैप पड़ गया. So this is our common you can say terms usually used in the society. Definitely, yes. So we'll understand the what is the role of the disc first. And so uh, everyone knows that in our spine the 33 vertebra is there, 5 in your cervical region, 12 in the thoracic, upper back, mid back region, and 5 is in again your low back region, and 5 anime further on. But
Correct.
this neck and you can say thoracic and you can say the lumbar region, every vertebra in between. Suppose this is a vertebra and this is another vertebra. In between that there is the jelly kind of the substance is there, cushioning kind of the substance is there. So that is rounded. You can say oval shape of the structure is there. So we call that is the disc. So this major role of the disc is there to you can say prevent friction in between these two vertebra, and that gives the shock absorber. So and because and they also provide the mobility of the spines because a very soft structure is there. So that is the main role of the you can say disc. And in this, suppose this is the shape of the disc. The outer covering is this is a very hard kind of the structure is there that we call annulus fibrosis, and inner substance is very soft, gel kind of substance is there. So if in any trauma, you can say, if your joint, your vertebra is twisted, and lots of stresses comes inside the disc. So we can say lots of positive pressure develop inside the disc, which are the outer covering is weaker. Suppose this outer covering is weaker, and due to that positive pressure, yeah, you can say abnormal pressure inside the disc start bulging out. First, it's bulging out. It
Okay.
is not coming out all this. This is bulging out. So even the bulging out also, you will get the tremendous pain also. But if you have the forces is too much, then it's rupture, and this inside this material, that soft jelly kind of structures come out. So we say that is the slip disc. There is never whole disc will come out. Some part of the structure will come out. That is so. This is the slip disc. And what is the question of the Sarika? She had suffered slip disc and she had taken the steroids and the traction. These steroids definitely, if you have suppose till yesterday, yeah, you can say till today I am very healthy, and suddenly I lifted and very tremendously pain developed in your spine, not able to stand, sit. That means definitely some structure injured in the disc. And steroid, if you're taking only 3 days short steroid doses, definitely with your consult with the doctor, that immediately reduce the inflammation around the disc and you feel better. So initially, definitely 3 4 in the first, if you have the slip disc, then the steroid is important. But traction, definitely initially traction there is a definitely role was there, but it usually takes 2 times, means 15 days, 1 month, 2 months you have to do traction, and that recovery time is that much. But nowadays the science so much developed. So suppose if you have the days, you 1 day, 2 days, you have to take the rest. And if you, because the cause, you know the cause of the pain, somewhat some misalignment is there. If you correct that misalignment, immediately within 1 or 2 days that pain is reduces, and then you have to do exercises to strengthen your spine. But now she has to take the precaution definitely, because some musculature was definitely weak, so that's why she developed the slip disc. If you strengthen your spinal muscle, so definitely we can prevent recurrence of the slip disc problem.
Lovely, sir. Thank you for
I hope
answering.
you are.
Yes, I hope Sarika it has answered your query. Please do show a thumbs up so I know. Before I take the next question, sir, a small compliment again from Preeti Javekar for you. She says, same here,
Okay.
Dr. Praveen has treated my tendon muscle problems after undergoing ligament tear and discoid meniscus surgery for right knee. I was not able to
Mhm.
walk properly and had no strength in my tendon muscles. He was the one who gave me confidence that I would be all right as before. I have tried many physiotherapists and medications before meeting him.
Okay, thank you, Preeti. I remember Preeti. She is a very good patient of mine, and what I used to tell her instruction, she blindly follow. And when any patient blindly follow instruction of any doctor, definitely he recovers well. But suppose if he's not following, you're continuously searching one doctor by one doctor, that person will never recover. So you just keep blindly faith on the doctor, definitely you will get the recovery.
Sir, I want to know how good a patient I am.
Yeah, definitely good patient.
A very
That's why
intimate.
you recovered your problems. So
Yes, sir. All right, let's take the next question. So we have Preeti's question, which I would like to read out now.
mhm,
तो शी इज सेइंग कि 2 साल पहले उसके राइट
mhm.
नेक वेस्ट साइड पे सीलिंग फैन गिर गया था
Oh,
और
mm.
कभी अचानक से बहुत दर्द नेक में और कमर में होने लगता है सर, तो ऐसा क्यों
Mhm.
होता है एंड ऑल्सो क्या करना चाहिए प्रीति को?
Definitely she had a injury, trauma. Miss ceiling fan is उनके spine के ऊपर गिर गया, तो means definitely there was good trauma actually around the spine. So some definitely changes occur in the spine, and that is neglected. Means you can say वो जो इंजुरी की वजह से जो मसल इम्बैलेंस हो गया है, वो कभी ठीक हुआ ही नहीं. इसलिए ऑन एंड ऑफ पेन्स होता रहता है. सपोज इफ शी वर्क सम मोर देन द रूटीन, so whole stresses comes to around that spine and she develops the pain. But definitely if she want to rid of this problem, she has to search any doctors, thoroughly assess her, and whatever that doctor will recommend you. Doctor means you can say physiotherapist, chiropractor. You just meet that doctor, and whatever he will give you treatment, yeah, he will suggest you exercise at home, so you will recover from this problem.
Thank you, sir. Preeti, I strongly recommend do not ignore this. Please show it to a physiotherapist. And we have Dr. Praveen Patil, sir. If you can go to Koregaon Park also, or you can go to Noble Hospital also. At the end of this
Yes.
session, our team will be putting the link of his Facebook page and also Human Clinic. Please, any questions, anything, you can definitely go to Praveen Patil sir or any physiotherapist of yours if you know any.
Yeah.
So before I take the next question, we have Jaimini Rathod who also is saying, Praveen sir treated my pelvic alignment by chiropractic and I got so much relief. I went to
Okay.
neurosurgery, but it was not cured. But I got relief
Okay.
after treatment from sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. I remember her. I remember. Yeah.
Antara, can you help me highlight Shilpa's question? She's saying I missed out on a question. I'm not able to pick that question. All right. So Shilpa is saying, what is the reason
Mm-hmm.
for spine pain only when it is touched or while sleeping?
Okay. When you touch, definitely, if you are just palpating, you can touching your spine and that pain exactly in the spine, definitely some pressure is there inside the disc, and that's why that area is tender. So if you touch it, if you are getting the pain, definitely that's all discal related of your pain. And sleeping, definitely that area is supported to your touching to your bed, and that because of that that area get irritated and you get the pain. So I just suggest you can just visit any doctors. You can say yeah, orthopedic also, yeah, physiotherapist also, and just screen your spine. Definitely will come to know what exactly happened.
So Shilpa, there is definitely something amiss in the spine, but it will only be known once some doctor assesses you. So do not ignore this. This could aggravate. So please get it checked.
Yeah.
So we have Preeti asking, can you guide in general which exercises should be done for having healthy spine or strengthening our spine? So what I'll suggest is, sir, I know you can't show the exercises on live,
Yeah.
but if you
Yeah.
request, you can say no. But if you can make a recorded video after our live session, which I can share with everyone, with some
Yes, we
exercises,
can do it. We can do it. We can do it. But that exercises will be only the preventive purpose. It is
only
not a treatment of the
no.
definitely.
Only which
Yeah.
women and men can do at home as a preventive spine health. So I would
Yes. Yes.
request all our audiences do join our WhatsApp group. We will be sharing Patil sir's exercises there, which are preventive. If you have any injury, that is not going to help. But when you're home, how can you keep your healthy spine? Those exercises on request, sir has agreed to share with us, and we will be sharing on a WhatsApp group where we share all the wellness objectives and help you guys.
Yes. That will be great.
Have Chandrakant Shekhar Yadav Solaskar sir with us.
Yeah.
He
He is. I think he is a SCP in the Baramati. I remember his name.
Namaskar sir, Namaskar from Folk Fitness team. Sir, he is
Yeah.
asking, I'm a police inspector. मला back pain चा खूप त्रास होता है.
Mm-hmm.
Dr. Praveen
होता.
Patil Noble Hospital. अच्छा, अच्छा. Okay, sir, this is a
Hmm.
compliment for you. Sorry.
Okay.
Our ACP doctor is saying that ACP sir is saying that he had a back pain, and Dr. Praveen Patil Noble Hospital, Dr. Rohan Alolkar Baramati, Dr. Sachin Bhosle Baramati, and uh,
Actually, Tamni Kolhapur.
treated me good. And presently, my pain is not there. I have also visited Dr. Narkish sir at Patiala. Thank you so much. Lovely, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
So, there's a question for a little girl, a young child.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
I'm just, yeah. So, Sir Sangeeta Shende is saying, my
Okay.
11-year-old girl child has
Mm.
pain in neck and spinal cord, so not able to sit
Okay.
in long time.
Okay. So only the description of the symptoms very less, so very limited information is there from the question. But if I say only the 11-year child is there, and they have that child has only pain at the neck, yeah, or on the spine. So we only consider, okay, this is the only the simple neck pain or simple back pain. But why in the such a younger age, you can say 11-year-old? So that is the, you can say, main reason behind it, because the less physical activity. Because that girls nowadays, you can say, child continuously on the mobile, laptop, computers, and continuously they're playing the game. Yeah, there is anything they are doing at the neck and continuously wrong position. I think that is the main reasons behind it, and very less physical on ground activity is there.
Absolutely.
So I think that is the main cause of that. But if anything is other is there, maybe we need to more investigate. But this is the most common problem in the such a small age group.
So reduce the screen time. Sangeeta, make sure that the child is understanding that the laptop is on eye level. They are not always on the phone bending their neck, as Sir said. These could be the common symptoms or issues. But please ensure if there is anything more that has to be checked by a physiotherapist or a chiropractor.
Even what happened, so many parents what used to give, they are busy in their works, and the child asking demanding something, so they used to give the hand over our phone, so you play this, and just shut your mouth, kind of the there. But
Correct.
I every parent is just encourage their child to go down, yeah, go at garden, yeah, park, yeah, you can see your play area, play way. Don't give for the game purpose. If
Correct.
study purpose, definitely you can just give and see the posture. But playing purpose, don't give the laptop, or you can say mobile.
And so now in lockdown, anyways, the school is also happening on laptop and screen. So all the more reason that they should not have any more extra screen time other than the school that they're doing.
Yes, yes.
All right, 6:40. We are going to take last 5 questions. If you have missed any questions on the top, I request you all to paste your questions again at the end. I won't be able to go up on the chat screen. So we have
Mm-hmm.
Gargi Mark. She's a beautiful, a person. She's with Folk
Mm-hmm.
Fitness for a very long time. A great
Okay.
dancer, and she is suffering from acute spondylitis. How should she reduce pain? Is what she's asking.
So my same questions, you have to visit the doctor first, because only the pain. If I am listening, I have the pain, so I cannot come to know what exactly happened. Where is the root cause? For root cause purpose, I have to assess Gargi thoroughly. Definitely, then I'll come to know, okay, that this problem exactly happens to with the Gargi. Then I'll treat the Gargi. Yeah, you can say nearby any doctors. That doctor will help to the Gargi,
Great.
because root cause is always different. So I never treat the pain. I treat the root cause.
Wow. So,
Yeah.
Gargi, unfortunately, we won't be able to tell you here by just listening to pain. It has to be checked. It has to be, then only Sir will be able to tell you anything.
Yeah.
All right. We will take Mohit's question. After that, I would like to take Sarvesh Nevalkar's question because that seems to be pretty interesting and I would like Sir to answer that. So, Mohit
Okay.
is saying, I had severe back pain due to heavy bike rides in the past, due to which I took a break and avoided riding bikes. It helped, but
Okay.
now things when I stress to sit down or pick up heavy items. What can be the
Hmm.
cause?
Okay. So if the Mohit, if you see the lifestyle, totally he is maximum time he's driving, and driving with the two wheeler. I think so, right?
Yes.
Bike. Yes. But two wheeler is not recommended for the longer the distance ride, and definitely one more reason is there might be, so his lack of fitness. If you have the lack of fitness, definitely your spinal musculature is not that much good strength, and that not capable to support your spine. Suppose only 15 minutes, 20 minutes maximum they can able to support the spine. After that, that muscle goes in the fatigue, and stresses come to the spinal region, they generate the pain. But now, because of now pain, he left the driving, so definitely he feels better. Mm? But now again, suppose he sits anywhere, because again that is a sitting activity. So driving and sitting are almost same. So if
Correct.
he's sitting and no, again he's not doing any fitness activity, still muscle is in the weak position, and that gives the stresses. If you want to really come out this problem, definitely has to strengthen the all spinal stabilizer muscles. If he do it all active that exercises, definitely he will record 100%.
Super. I hope that answers your
Yeah.
question, Mohit. Hoping that you will be able to ride your bike for very, very long years. So please ensure to strengthen your spinal muscle. So we have Sarvesh here. He says, my father-in-law fell down on floor due to imbalance
Mm-hmm.
while we had consultation with doctor, but he said there is no issue with his back. But he is
Mm-hmm.
constantly saying, I am feeling pain, and it's now one and a
Mm-hmm.
half years, sir. What would you suggest?
So definitely the pain develop because his father definitely is a old person, and due to some old age imbalance, he fell down, and that injury caused little bit changes around the spine,
Okay.
and it remain untreated, and now it's turned in the chronic problem. So that's why he keeps complaining the back pain, back pain, back pain. And while taking the X-ray, yeah, you can say any investigation, the X-ray showing is normal. There is no problem in the spine, but X-ray never shows the muscle, which muscle is weak, which muscle is stronger, yeah, which muscle is stiff. But doctors say only the X-ray. Is there any fracture? Is there any other problem? Is there? No, your spine is absolutely normal. You will definitely take this medicine. You will be better, but that is not a root cause treatment. You are just for him, you just find out the root cause, treat that root cause, definitely he will 100% better.
Okay. So I hope, Sarvesh, that answers your question, and we wish that your father-in-law doesn't suffer with any pain and is cured soon. So it's 6:47, but there are a lot of questions. So if you could spare another 15 minutes, I would like to pick up these
No,
questions if time
no
is okay.
problem, no problem. I have also
And
time, so much time there. So,
thank you, sir. So we
yeah.
have the next question. All right. Hi, good evening, Dr. Patil. I too have a question. Both shoulders
Okay.
are haven't had any injury. What could be the cause
Mhm.
and injury? Movement above head is restricted.
Okay, so I think this is the question by the Sanjay Mazda, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Hi, Sanjay. I know well. I think your both shoulder is involving. Uh, I think that there is one joint is there, the above the shoulder we call the AC joint. This collarbone is attached to the you can say your shoulder blade, and the one joint formed out called AC joint, and that AC joint is troubling because the pain, because suppose any if person is heavy continuously engaged in a gym activity, if while doing the gym activity, you can say lifting the weight, you can say the chest press activity, if your posture is not good, and if you are doing the weights, and that exactly give the stresses to the your that AC joint. An AC joint has only the ligament support, no muscle support is there. That ligament little bit disrupted, you can say, yeah, you can say micro tears happen, and that gives the definitely the shoulder pain. And definitely other shoulder muscles and the neck muscle are also associated, and sometimes you will get the headache, sometimes you will get the neck pain, but root cause here is the main that AC joint. If you treat that AC joint properly, definitely this pain will definitely go.
Lovely. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I hope, Sanjay, it answers your question. So we have Sarika who's asking what habits should we develop in our kids so that they do not suffer from spine issues?
Okay, definitely habit only the play. If they play on the ground, definitely they never will develop the you can spinal issue. And that playing activity, yeah, you can say fitness activity, you have to keep continue till you are younger and older age also.
Lovely.
So definitely will not develop.
I loved your answer. So Sarika, there is no rocket science since childhood till we become old. The only thing is play, 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 exercise, movement, and correct postures. From young age, if we can imbibe these habits in our children, they will not have any issues. It sounds very big spinal issue, but the things that we have to do around it are very, very simple. All right, the next question, sir, is from Khushi Karnani. Hello, sir.
Okay.
Please test in the scenario a person complains of pain in the lower back, specifically the
Mm-hmm.
area between aces to pieces,
Mm-hmm.
sharp pricking pain, no specific pain, aggressive factors.
Okay, so she just mentioned, I think she has a little bit knowledge of the medical, so that's why she used the terminology ASIS and PSIS. So ASIS and PSIS, yes, that is all related to your pelvic joint. SI, so we can say SI joint. So if your SI joint is not in the, you can say proper neutral position, definitely you will get the sharp pain. You can say lightning kind of the pain, sharp shooting pain for fraction of second, again goes. But that is very threatening kind of the pain. So I think that is the main cause of is there. Suppose if you are lifting some from the floor, it might be a piece of paper also, yeah, might be 10 kg weight also. But if you are rotated, suppose if you are rotated and you are bending, definitely whole stresses come to the that sacroiliac joint. Yeah, sometimes suppose if you are sitting on the sofa and you are rotated and you are getting up quickly, that quickly that change in the position in the that pelvic joint, and you'll end up the very great pain.
Wow.
So you have to assess the properly where is the misalignment is there. You have to correct that. Immediately you will feel better. Definitely we can do it in magic in these cases.
Wow. So if you have some magic, there you have Dr. Praveen Patil. I'm a live example. I have witnessed his magic, and there are so many people who are talking about it. So please get it.
But nothing is magic. Definitely there is science behind it.
All right, so we have Harsha Jain who's saying, is abdominal back binder advised in case of tailbone or back pain? So for the non
Let
audience, the back binder.
This is very good question, Harsha, because very commonly practice usually happens in the society. If anyone has the back pain, neck pain, spinal bender, you can say back belt, yeah, neck collar used to give. But that is the old treatment approaches was there initially because
Correct.
there was no that much science was developed that time. So back pain, apply the belt. So what exactly does that belt? We see first. So if you apply the belt, that create one pressure around you can say spine, and you feel like my spine is supported.
Correct.
So immediately you feel better, but that is not option because we have the natural supporters of the spine. Means that means your core muscle, your abdomen muscles, and around the spine muscles. If you develop the good strength of that muscle, definitely that will play same role of the what role plays in the spinal that spinal binder.
Okay.
But if you are using spinal binder, you can say back braces longer time, definitely your muscle will goes in weak, and you have to depend on that. So my suggestion is there. Suppose if you have tremendous back pain, not able to move, you have tremendous neck pain, not able to move, wear for only 2 or 3 days maximum, not more than 3 days. You have to discontinue, strengthen your muscle, consult your doctors. They will suggest you exercises, develop the natural spinal cord set, that is our muscle, so that will long last your effect. But if you're using the long time these braces, their muscle goes in the wasting, yeah, you can say weaker day by day.
I hope that answers your question, Harsha. It is just a band-aid solution. You will feel protected, but it's
Hmm.
weakening your muscles. Exercise is the way. There is no other shortcut. So please ensure that you visit your doc, get the right exercises, and please ensure to do them correct. So we have
Yeah.
Sabah who asked this question twice. She's saying, "Hello,
Okay.
Patrick. Please suggest
Hi.
sacralization treatment."
Pardon?
Sacralization treatment.
Okay. Sacralization. We'll see the first terminology of what do you mean by the sacralization. Hmm? So then we will go the terminology. treatment option. Sacralization means suppose there is a lumbar region, last vertebra that
Okay.
attached to the your sacrum bone. So above the tailbone, there is a triangular shaped bone is called as a sacrum bone, and above the sacrum bone, there is the last part of the vertebra of your lumbar L5. If that comes closer and that started touching to each other, so we say that is the sacralization process. So, but sacralization process why again develops because around that spine, lower lumbar spine, there is no support, very less support from the your spine, and though that's why whole maximum stresses develop around that area, and there is continuously wear and tear is there, and then discal height started decreasing, and then the bones started coming to touch each other and develop the sacralization. So treatment is that develop the very good core muscle stabilization definitely will decrease the symptoms of the sacralization.
I hope that answers your question, Sabha. We are taking Abhijit Chavre's question. Guys, last 5 minutes. If there are any questions, please type them again after Abhijit's question.
Hello, Abhijit sir. Abhijit sir is definitely dentist.
Oh,
He's from the Solapur. Yeah,
oh,
and he's a Ironman. He's a half Ironman.
wow, that's impressive, Abhijit sir. Wonderful. So he's
Hmm.
asking, your talk on muscle activation are excellent. It's helping
Mhm.
me lot in my athletic activity and preventing injuries. One question is long distance cycling, how to prevent upper back or interscapular pain?
Okay, that is very good question, Abhijit sir. Suppose long, so he's always in engaged in the cycling, long distance cycling. But in that position, you can in cycling we are in the stoop position. Hmm? In that position, if your core muscle is very good, if you engage your core muscle daily, if you increase the strength of the core muscle, that will help to the support while cycling, and definitely we can prevent interscapular pain because interscapular pain that is upper thoracic pain. If that stress is coming on the upper thoracic region, definitely this. Uh, and that area is not supported with your core muscle, so you will end up the that interscapular pain. So for your problem, definitely solution you are the maintain the good core stability. And
Lovely.
I proudly say the DNA is one of the very good treatment approach for the this kind of the problem. The DNA is only based increase the strength of the core muscle.
That I'm doing that regularly.
Okay, very good.
So we have Sujit asking you which sleeping position is better for spine, on back, on chest, or sideways?
Okay, so the three whatever he mentioned the three sleeping position. That is one is the lying on the flat on the back, one lying on the one side, and other is lying on the stomach. These three position all natural position. That absolutely normal. There is nothing you have to lie on the flat, you have to lie on the one side, you have to lie on the back, on the stomach. Only the 70 to 80% people prefer to lie one side.
Correct.
If you ratio, if you take it, and 10-15% people prefer to lie on the flat completely, means back is stretched and face up position, and others on the belly position. That's all natural position. All is good, nothing wrong. Only the what where you are lying down, that bed mattress should be proper. Means that mattress should not be very soft. That mattress should not be very hard. Suppose there is a myth, you know that maybe you are knowing that anyone suffered in back pain, they start take the chatai and they used to lie down. Yeah, that is a myth, but that create more pain. So ideally, your mattress should be not very soft, not very hard. It is firm kind of mattress because that gives the support to spine also, and that will not causing the misalignment in the spine also. So I think this is that kind of mattress everyone should use.
So, how important is the role of pillow and mattresses in any of the injuries, sir? Or
Definitely. So pillow and mattress, definitely mattress. We already spoke now. The pillow. There is again myth is there. If you have the neck pain, don't use the pillow.
yeah, a
Yeah,
lot of
you can use very small thin pillow. Actually, that this is a myth. Suppose the pillow, the choice of the pillow is depends totally how you lying on the what is your natural habit. Suppose if
Okay.
you're lying on the flat, means face up position, you can use the small kind of the pillow.
Okay.
Yeah. If you are lying on the one side, definitely you have to use the larger heighted pillow. Means you have to fill up the gap between your shoulder and ear. That much
Okay.
heighted pillow you have to use it.
Okay.
Suppose if you are lying on the stomach, so there is no need of pillow. Absolutely, there is no need of pillow. If you want to use it pillow, very soft, very feather kind of the soft pillow you have to use it. So with your head weight, it will be completely that position. Nothing kind of the supported position. So if you are using the pillow if you are lying on the stomach and if you are using pillow heighted pillow, definitely you will land up the neck pain. If you are lying on the one side, if you are not using the pillow, yeah, very thin size of pillow, your position will be always this way. Yeah, you will take the hand to support. So you continuously 7 8 hours you in this position, you will end up the neck pain. But if you
Yeah.
are a good proper heighted pillow, definitely your neck will be in the neutral position.
Wow. So people who are sleeping straight need to take thinner, sideways, take it thicker, and if you're lying on your stomach, take very, very thin, which should not hurt your head. Am I right, sir?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes, correctly.
That would be a huge help to all our audiences. Show some love to sir. Show some thumbs up, sir. I must tell you, because we've been doing Answer Corona for almost 3 months now, and a lot of specialists have come. But this is one session which one has extended to 7 o'clock, and so many
Okay.
questions have been recorded. So
Okay.
I really, really thank. Questions are still coming, but unfortunately, guys, we'll have to end the session here. Sir, humbled that you came on this platform. If there are any last words that you want to tell our audiences, and the audience, we have put pin sir's link here. It's been pinned. Antara, if you can pin sir's link. If you have any questions, any more queries, you can talk to Praveen Patil sir directly through his Facebook page, and he'll be more than happy to guide you and
Yes, definitely. Definitely. So before
answer.
ending, I have to say something little bit.
Yes, sir, please.
Is it okay? Yes. So I want to say a little bit about the folk fitness. So many people knowing about the folk fitness and many people is not knowing about the folk fitness. So folk fitness, I miss that is so all kind of the exercises there in one single fitness program is there. So suppose if you say how the cardio is important, strength also important, flexibility important. It is the three main pillar of the fitness. Everyone knows about that. Even you can say core. So everything is there in the folk fitness, and it is not a boring kind of fitness. If you just see, if you do it this fitness very interesting, very enthusiastic, will never bore up, will never fed up, you will keep continue this fitness. So I'll recommend everyone to just see folk fitness, start practicing. Definitely you will change your, you can say, your posture. You feel more healthy, more energetic, and you will be definitely fit if you are just follow. This is everything inside in the folk fitness is a one group solution. I think so. This is my
Wow.
point of view.
And audience, why sir can say this is because he is the first person who has seen folk fitness when it was getting created. He's checked our warm-ups, he's checked our stretches, he's checked if there was anything which could injure any of the joints and muscles, and that's why he could say this. Thank you sir for such kind words. We
Thank you.
have
Thank you.
every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, we have our folk fitness session, which are complimentary for all of you from 6 p.m. on our page. Subscribe to our page, like our page, put the notification on so that you can make a healthy life. Give importance to your life first. We also have a WhatsApp group, guys, which is again complimentary, where every day we give fitness tips. So we give fitness challenges. We keep telling them about importance of different pillars of life. If you like it, please join our WhatsApp group. The link is there. Only and only join if you can give time to yourself and you are committed to your fitness and health. If you're not, please don't join the group. because everything that we put on the group, we want you guys to do it. There are a lot of compliments coming your way, sir. So,
Okay.
so logical, kind, humble, and down to earth. Jitendra is
Hmm.
saying, thank you for sharing your valuable knowledge, Dr. Praveen Patil, sir. It's really an awesome session. Everyone
Okay.
is, Deepshika is saying, one of the best physio and chiropractor is Dr. Praveen Patil.
Okay. Thank you, Deepshika.
Rahul Gule is saying, due to your valuable guidance, I was able to overcome my right calf stiffness problem and completed Tata Mumbai Marathon without any problem.
Okay. Thank you, Rahul sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Praveen Patil.